Let's have a chat about starting affiliate marketing in your late 40s, into your 50s and beyond. I know what it's like when you're kind of facing retirement. You look at the prospect of retirement and you think, well, actually, I would like some more financial security in retirement. I haven't really got a great pension. Okay, so let's start online marketing. And for a lot of people, that's a great solution. It really is. And what I want to talk about is kind of where you go from there. A lot of people, what they do is they go online, they look for solutions with affiliate marketing. Either right now you're researching those options or you've got started. And for most people, and I'm going to say this because I know where most people come from doing affiliate marketing for a long time, they get overwhelmed. They go, I didn't realize there was this much to learn. I didn't realize that I'm now starting to doubt whether I'm doing the right thing. And it can cause a lot of stress for a lot of people. And all you need to do when it comes to knowing what to do and having a plan is just a case of simplifying the process, understanding what you give to the marketplace, and doing things consistently, but having the confidence to know that you have value right from the start. You're somebody who has got a lot of life experience. Just because you don't know things about online marketing quite yet and how things work doesn't mean that you haven't got value to share, because you absolutely have. And what I would say is that above all the younger generation who are doing the fast-paced videos, who are doing the sharp edits and all that kind of, stimulation type stuff, you don't need to do that. You really don't need to do that, and you don't need to compete with that. And here's the problem. You go online, you look at the videos that are performing well, and those videos that perform well, younger people, they talk fast, the edits are fast, everything's done at 100 miles an hour. And what a lot of people tend to do is to try and keep up with that, because you think maybe that's the thing to do. That's what I have to do. And it causes a whole load of stress, because on one side there's people like us saying just be yourself, just document your journey, and the conflict is, well, that doesn't work. You think it doesn't work. I have to be the young kid doing fast paced videos. And what that does, it just makes people go, it makes people go against you. And what I'm talking about is that if one day you're, somebody who is approaching retirement, and the next day you're super Mr. Affiliate Marketer, talking really fast and going completely out of character, and that causes a lot of problems for family, for friends. And I understand why a lot of people don't want to do video, because if you think you have to do that, that causes stress and no one is going to do it. And what I find is a lot of people tend to they get involved with affiliate marketing, they do the research, and then they do nothing. And let me tell you what it's like. I remember when I was 7, okay, and my friend took me to the swimming pool, and my friend was pretty fearless, a guy called Graham, and he said, as soon as I get there, I'm going to jump off the top board. Remember the top boards at the swimming baths? It was 3 boards. He jumped off the top board, and he thought it was great. I kind of looked up and I thought, that looks okay, I'm going to jump off that. Went to the top board, looked over and froze. And that's what most people do when they start an affiliate marketing business. How did I get off the top board? It took me 45 minutes, bearing in mind we were in the swimming pool for an hour, okay, but it took me 45 minutes to build up the confidence to jump, okay. And what happened when I did it? Massive rush of adrenaline, thought it was fantastic, and I just kept going and going and going, jumping and jumping and jumping until we got thrown out, okay, because the time was up. And that really is the way things work with affiliate marketing. It's not a case of just jumping and doing it, it's a case of jumping and then finding your feet, finding where you're at, okay. We're older, we don't talk fast, we don't do fast-paced videos. We might change the pace of a video to suit our audience, But the key in getting momentum in your business, the key to getting sales or leads and then eventually sales, developing a brand, is being you and understanding who your target audience is. And I know I say that quite a lot. And if you're brand new, you're probably not really going to know who your audience is. So all you do is you look at yourself. Who am I? What are my pain points? What attracted me to this industry? And how's it going so far? And talk like that. And just talk like you're talking to the person that you want to attract, which is people just like you. And the best method, there are lots of different methods. I won't say the best method. I always say that. The best method is the best method for you. Okay. Now, what I'm talking about is marketing methods. If you want to go out and do paid advertising, then learn it. Okay. And implement it. But just stick with one strategy. Okay. If you're going to use solo ads, just use solo ads. If you're going to, use a combination of solo ads and email marketing and maybe a bit of video, then fine, have one message. But what I would say in the initial stages, if you want, and I know most people, they get involved, there is a bit of stress because they want more pension provision, and that's a real thing. Okay, so you want to be aligning yourself with business models that give you long-term residual income, but also the fastest way to build a brand is with video, bar none. And I know a lot of people, they look at the videos, like I've said, the fast-paced, and in their mind they go, well, there's no way I'm going to be doing that. Thanks very much. In the same way that when video shorts came out, I looked at TikTok and I looked at all this thing, and I said exactly the same thing. I'm not going to be doing that. Okay, I went to college, I studied filmmaking. It's a craft that I kind of quite enjoy. I enjoy the process, and I'm good at making films. And then these shorts came out with these dancing kids and all this kind of nonsense. And I thought, no way I'm doing that. And they started outranking me. And so as a marketer, I've got to go, okay, I've got to eat a bit of humble pie. What is this shorts thing all about? And it was like, oh, this is what it's all about. This is how you market yourself properly. You don't need to do dancing videos because clearly you don't want to see me dancing. Okay, this is how you do shorts, and this is how the marketing strategy works for doing shorts. So if you just get over your, what I need to do is get over myself, get over my ego, because that's all I was battling, and realize where I fitted in. And it's a case of doing the long form video, cutting it up into shorts, and then distributing that in a structured way. Okay. But what I want to say right now is that if you're feeling stressed, if you've started or if you're researching affiliate marketing in your 50s, in your late 40s, in your 50s, you want to build up something for pensions, I understand where you're coming from. I understand you think it might be a young person's game. Maybe you've got nothing to share. Maybe you've left it too late. Maybe you look too old. Maybe you think you look too old on camera. Okay, that's all perceptions, and they're your perceptions, not the perceptions of your audience. Okay, here's what I want you to do if you're looking for a strategy. Okay, bearing in mind I'm always available. Okay, if you look at the links below, you can see what I'm involved with, and also if you want to book a call with me, I'm quite happy to do that. A free call. It's not a pitch fest. There's no hype. It's just a call between us two, and we can just talk about your options. It's 30-minute. So go to my calendar. You can do that. But when it comes to video, I always say document your journey. And a lot of people think, why would anyone be interested in my journey? Well, let me tell you, people are. And if you have made the step, or if you're researching right now what you want to promote, what you want to get involved with, then that journey is of significant interest to somebody who is on the same journey. And there are many people on the same journey. Why did you choose affiliate marketing? Let me show you what I did. Let me show you some of the companies that I looked at and let me tell you the reasons why I went with this company or didn't go with that company. And those videos are gold. They really are. And if you're in a position where you can just do that, just get onto video, just talk to people, document what you've done, and also be vulnerable as well. Okay, the thing is, when we're younger, our egos are a bit more aligned and we don't want to be vulnerable. When we're older, we go, well, hey, I've been vulnerable in the past. I've got a whole load of life experience. I've been through worse than just doing a video. Now I've done all sorts. I had life experience, so I can be vulnerable. And that's where authenticity comes in, and that's when people start to trust you. And it's not about what you know. No one really cares about what you know. They care about looking at you, looking at if you're authentic, and if you're genuine, and would I want to work with this person? And if the answer is yes, then they will slowly reach out to you. Which brings me on to another point. When you do this, when you research, when you document your journey, you've got to be consistent, but you've also got to be have continuity of your message, and it's got to be relevant to them. Okay, so use those 3 points as well. If you go onto my blog, I've got a blog about that, about what to do. It's not just about being consistent, but those other 2 areas. And give yourself long enough for your audience to get to know who you are. Also give yourself long enough to really start crafting your message. And when I say long enough, at least 90 days. A lot of people get involved in this. I know a lot of younger people get involved in this, and they want results by Tuesday. Okay, if I don't get sales by Tuesday, then I'm not going to do it. And then of course you get the people that don't make sales and they call it a scam because their ego has been bruised a little bit because they haven't had the tenacity to be consistent. So just be consistent. And that really is the essence of building a business online. One thing I will say is that if you've made the decision, you've made a good decision. I know you're going to be doubting yourself. I know you're going to be, is this the right thing? What are my family going to think about me doing videos online? Isn't this a bit out my comfort zone? Yeah, it is. But again, if you do videos online as Mr. Motivating, affiliate marketer, then it's going to be weird and it's not going to work for you. But if you come on and you are the same person on your videos as people know you, then people are going to say, well, it looks great. Okay, people aren't going to get weirded out by what you do. Anyway, I hope this video has helped, because I know a lot of people are in this situation where there is a conflict going on about have I made the right decision or not, and what do I do to promote my affiliate marketing business. We, as older people, as people in our 50s, maybe 60s, maybe even 70s. I mean, I've had people join who are in the 80s, okay, and they do a wonderful job. We're in a unique position to give people life experience, and that has got a lot of weight behind it. Make no bones about that. Okay, so any questions that you've got, just reach out to me in the usual way. I'm always happy to help. I always answer the questions that you put them just in the comments just below. And if you're not yet subscribed, then do me a massive favor, just hit the subscribe button, and what I'll do is I'll continue to give you as much value and more value as we go along in this journey. If you got some value from it, give us a thumbs up as well, and I look forward to talking with you soon. All right, bye for now.